So today we will work on HTML and CSS. If we compare it with the design, we have already added the title. So let's add the button and the code content. In index.html, just after the s2 tag, add a button tag with the text generate new quote. Then add a div with id quote. Inside this div, for the quote, we will add them in the p tag. I will add a sample quote here. Then for the author, we will add them in the em tag. I will add the author name. Check the preview and we can see the title, button and the quote content. So HTML is complete. We can now work on the CSS. So open style.css. After the import, add asterisk, which means the universal selector. It is a selector that targets all elements on a web page. Here, let's add margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. In the body, I will add the background color and a padding of 7%. Take the preview and now you should see some changes. Back in the design, we can see the whole content is in the middle with some spacing and white background. To do this, select the div with id quote generator. Then add margin 0 auto. Background as FFF, which is white. Border radius of 10 pixel. Max width 500 pixel. And finally a padding of 20 pixel at the top, 40 pixel left and right, and 40 pixel at the bottom. Check the preview. And now it is centered. Now let's style this heading. So in S2, add font size 30 pixel, margin 40 pixel, padding 20 pixel. We also have a border bottom in the design. If I try to add border bottom in the CSS, and if I check the preview, I can see some spacing at the left and right because of the padding I have added in the parent div. There are several ways to fix them, but I will use the before pseudo element. Here, add content without any value, so just use a single quote. Add background, height 1 pixel, left 0, right 0, bottom 0, and use position absolute. Whenever we use position absolute, we need to use position relative in the parent. So add them in the S2 selector. Check the preview. And now it is same as before, but we can apply quick fixes. Apply -40 pixel in both left and right. This is the same value you have added in padding. Check the preview again, and this time it works. Now let's style the button. Here, add background, margin, border, border radius of 10 pixel with 100%, white color, padding 15 pixel, add font. 22 pixel is the font size, 1.6 is the line height, and Roboto sans serif is the font family. Add cursor pointer. Let's also add the hover effect. So here, add opacity 0.7. Then in the button, I will add some transition, opacity 0.3 second, linear. Check the preview, and it looks good. Now let's style this content. The quote is aligned to the center and the author is aligned to the right. So in the quote selector, let's add text align center, font size 18px. Then increase the font size of this quote content. So in the P selector, add font size 24 pixel. Also add margin bottom 20 pixel. Finally, for the author, which is EM selector, add text align right and display block. Check the preview, and now style wise it is looking exactly the same as in the design. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will work on JavaScript. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.